Electric vehicle manufacturer Tesla shares down again today. They're down all sessions on the IG platform after an 8% drop yesterday following the release of the lowest quarterly gross margin seen at the company in 2 years. Let's take a look at the earnings as they came out for the most recent quarter. Top and bottom lines are marginally below expectations. Earnings of 85 cents a share below the 86 cents expected. We've been looking for revenues of almost 23.8 billion. In fact, it came through with a revenue of 23.3 billion. Now, since January, Tesla's been cutting prices in China, Europe, the US in an attempt to bring about demand and fend off rising competition. But as expected, this has had an impact on gross margins, which were down to 19.3%, lower than the 21.2% expected by analysts. Now, in the conference call on Twitter following the release, Elon Musk said it was better to shift a large number of cars at lower margins and harvest that margin in the future as we perfect autonomy. Investors are also taken aback by Tesla's production forecast. Musk had earlier said this is by 2 million vehicle deliveries were achievable, a number he didn't confirm yesterday evening, instead standing by the company's official target of 1.8 million deliveries. Let's take a look at the share price chart. You'll remember, actually, looking in the context of where we are now, this stock at a record high of $415.78 back on the 4th of November 2021. Here we are now down, testing this line of support at $164. Yesterday, we were down around 8% all sessions on the IG platform. Now, this isn't in the cash traded session yet, so at 2:30 this afternoon, UK time, we'll get the first trades on the US markets with a drop. We've got another near 2% slide in the session today, ahead of the main trading day on Wall Street, and we're now very close to testing this line of support at 164.02. If we break that, it'll then take us down to levels not seen since the 27th of January. Remember that 115% rise in the beginning of the year, right the way through to the recent highs at $217. That now seems a long way off from where we are there at the moment. Let me just quickly run on to another car company with an electric story to it. This is Renault. I think part of the Renault's drop today, down almost 7%, has been in the wake of that news about the electric vehicle side from Tesla. The French carmaker Renault says revenues are up 30% on a rebound in sales and higher prices. It's now bringing about electric versions of the Megane, the Arcana and Austral, and the company is now entering into this fierce competition within the electric vehicle market.